Hello, today we have a new tractor at the headquarters of Schoffertrack, and this is an Iseki Landleader TA model. We will give you some information about this one and show you how to replace the air filter and show you where the fuel filter is and of course the oil filter. We also give you some extra details about buttons and how it drives. The TA model is produced from 20 brake horsepower till 30 brake horsepower. All the chassis are the same, only there is like a difference from like 20 or 30 centimeter longer, but in average the tractors are the same. This one is a 235, so this is a 23 brake horsepower at the PTO, very important to know. Now we will show you some details. The PTO has 4 gears. Yeah, that's very good if you have different jobs like mowing or with the rotavator. And with this valve you can manage how quick it will go down the hydraulics at the backside. This one is the spare differential, and of course these are the groups. So like this is high, low, very low and middle. So these are the groups for the transmission. And of course most people don't know. 1, 2, go to the fender, 3 and 4. Important, 4-wheel drive, and over here it's the back hydraulics. So like I told you, this is the valve, how quick it can go downwards. At this side you have of course like this you go backwards, and this one you go forwards. It's very good, that's why it's very suitable for a front loader, because you can always have the same gears, only change it here to go forward and backward. These are this is the light switch. If you turn it like this, the front lights will turn on. These tractors don't have any backlights. It looks like they have it, but it's a reflector. Turn indicator, and of course the horn. This one, most people don't know, is to check if the hydraulic filter is stuck. So if I pull this, if I touch this one, this light will come on. So this one is for the hydraulic filter. So if the hydraulic system doesn't work and the lights is turning on, you know for sure there's something wrong with your filter. Handbrake. Does the tractor has a handbrake? Now this one is a foot brake. If you touch this one down, and at the same moment you will touch this one, it will be the handbrake. And this one is to change the column of the steering, so you can change the direction of this. So you can put it back to this side and to that side. We will now first show you the engine and of course how to change the air filter, where's the fuel filter, and of course the oil filter. Later on we will drive a little bit and we will show you how to use this tractor. So these engine covers are detached over here and over here, and they are locked with this one. So if you turn it like this one down, you can... Oh, sorry. This one is very stubborn. So like this. Now I can't do that with one hand, so I will show you later. So there's the Isuzu engine. It's not very clean, but yeah, don't judge a book by its cover, because these engines are very, very good. This one I know, this one has a problem with the water pump. It has some of the clearance over here. I can't show you at the moment, but it has. So this one needs to be replaced. Of course, this alternator, we have this one in stock. Always important to check. If the battery light is turning on, you can check if it has 13 or 14 volts. It doesn't have it, you know for sure the alternator is broken. These newer models have the exhaust over here. The old models like the TA230 has an exhaust over here. Very funny that Iseki doesn't change the engine cover, because normally the exhaust will be here. For now, over here there's the battery. Always check if this one is dirty, if the tractor is coming hot with mowing or some difficult job. So this one is very dirty, so it needs to be clean. And now we will show you how to replace the air filter. It's very easy to do. Just turn this one out. Everybody can do it. Oh, this one is very dirty, very dirty. So we have of course complete filter kits. Yeah, just put in the new one, attach the screw again like this, or not like this. It's always not so easy to do it by one hand. Like this. It needs to be turned on very hard so the seal will close completely. Like this. So air filter is replaced. Very easy job to start with. Now we do the other side. Left side. Always. It's not so easy to do, but now it's. So this is the other side of the engine. Of course, this is the old filter. You can replace it very easy to turn it to the anti-clockwise, to the left side. You can replace this one. You can drain the oil at the underside over here, and then you will attach the plug again, and yeah, you can fill it up with new oil. And it's not over here because it's not so easy to fill up over here. If the engine has pressure inside it, it will blow out over here, but it's not the filling point for the oil. I will check. I will show you that later. And this is of course the fuel pump. The fuel pump can shut off valve. This is this one, the solenoid, and you can check it over here. So I can show it like this. If the tractor won't go out, this is a known problem because the older ones have the manual pull out, but this one is electronic with the key. Then this one is broken. This is solenoid. So very important to know. So this is the hydraulic pump. We have these also in stock, and this is for the power steering. This is the same one, and then anti-clockwise or clockwise. I just don't know. I don't remember it how it was. If you want to know where the fuel filter is, it's over here, and it's very dirty, very dirty. So this one needs to be replaced. Yeah, we also have it. Just do this one in the anti-clockwise. Put this one in off. Change the filter, fill it up with a little bit of diesel, but this pump will put it out. So if I will have it on. So normally if you have changed this fuel filter, you can put this one on air, and you can very easily put it out the air because this one has a pump for it to push the diesel in the fuel pump. So that's very easy, and you know for sure the tractor will start it. I almost forgot to mention that this is the oil filler cap. So here you need to fill in the oil, and also it has the dipstick, how much oil is in it. So you can check it over here. And this one really needs new oil. I forgot to mention how to replace this hydraulic filter. So we will do that in a short moment. If you don't have any tool, it's very easy to do it with a screwdriver. So you can turn it around, and now it's free. Don't spill any oil, so I need to get some towels. Now it's very easy to replace it. Only don't spill any bloody oil. I really hate oil at my tractor. Like this. I can tell you one thing, this oil is very black, so it also needs to be replaced. That's bad. And the new hydraulic filter. Don't get the towel in between. And this little like this. If you are strong, this is enough, and otherwise you can do it with a little filter tool like that. So now we'll start the tractor. Yeah, it's unbelievable. So it's cold at the moment, and I can show you how easy it's to start. Just one turnover and it runs. It runs very easy. This is for the back hydraulics, like I told you before. And of course, Like I told you from the hydraulic pump, this one has power steering. Very easy to steer. Now we will drive it. Like I told you before, this is one. Going back. Four-wheel drive. Now it's in. And it brakes, like I told you. This is the handbrake. So now it's on, and now it's off. I forgot to mention, this is very known. This RPM cable is broken. There's no a zero. It can be the cable, or there is a little bit. There's a very small plastic gear at the inside of this dashboard. It's very easy to glue it. If you glue it, it will also work. Sometimes it has to do that the tractor has stand for too long. There's a little bit of rust inside it and the plastic gear will break. We will repair it and perhaps we can show it in the next video. So thank you for watching and we will see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.